survive out here is what is currently on our backs. Okay. All right.
We're going down.
All right. We're on like 2 feet of snow right now. We need to get building a shelter because it gets really cold today.
Hey, where are we going?
Follow me.
And the cold is only the beginning.
Everything is wrong. Nothing's going right.
You're gonna get hypothermia. My toes were starting to turn a little purple.
Need a miracle right now.
We failed our last survival video, so this is me and my 5 friends' attempt at redemption.
I told none of the boys to bring tents because
What's he doing?
What's that?
this is gonna be our home.
We're staying in snow?
Yep.
Today, we have 2 objectives: create a shelter and build a fire.